So I'll just be laying a layer of about 2 inches of mulch here. And let me quickly add the mulch in here and show you what a lot of people do, but it's exactly what you want to avoid to make sure your tree stays healthy. So often what you'll get is people really, one, they'll go pretty thick with their mulch, and two, they'll actually build it up around the base of the tree. So now we've just covered up our root flare, and that can lead to really suffocating the root system of the tree, which is exactly what you don't want to do. So you really want to actually back that completely away. You want to expose that root flare. And that's also why our ground is sloping out, because I'm gonna go 2 inches of mulch here at the actual edge, but then come up to really basically no mulch right at the root flare. So for this actual 3-foot diameter ring, so you can reference for your own project, I used about in a bag and a half, and each bag was 2 cubic feet worth of mulch. This is just a cypress mulch. Now, if you want to get the dyed mulch to get a little different look, red or black, that is completely up to you. This is just kind of your standard grade mulch. One small correction, I said a 3-foot diameter. This is actually a 3-foot radius, 6-foot diameter, to make sure you have the right reference point for your own mulch ring around your trees to make sure you get the right amount of mulch. If you want to see the complete project where we start off with grass, we measure out, we get a perfectly cut tree ring, and then we start to apply that mulch, check out this video right here. I'll walk you from start to finish on the complete project. So thanks for joining us on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.